Hello everyone, today we are going to see our chapter 4 exercise 4.2. Right? What is our exercise 4.2? And the chapter 4 we are discussing here. For solution of a linear equation. Right? In the previous class we discussed about linear equation. A linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions. Right? Normally, a linear equation in one variable has one solution. If a linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions. See this example. 2x plus y equal to 4. This is a linear equation having two variables. If we are substituting the value of x, we can get a value for y. Likewise, first we are substituting x is equal to 2 and we are getting the value y as 0. Then x is equal to 6, we are getting the value as y equal to minus 8. Likewise, infinitely many solutions we will get for linear equation in two variables. Now here exercise 4.2 second problem. Write 4 solutions for each of the following equations. We have to find 4 solutions. Now what is the equation? 2x plus y equal to 7. Right? First, we alternate this equation as y equal to the plus 2x will go that side minus 2x. Now first we are going to substitute x is equal to 0. So y equal to 7 minus 2x is the equation. Substitute x is equal to 0. So y equal to 7 minus 2 into 0. So y equal to 7. Is it clear? Next x is equal to 1. Okay. Y equal to 7 minus 2 into 1. In the place of x we are putting 1. So y equal to 7 minus 2 into 1 will gives you 2. So 7 minus 2 will gives you 5. So what is the value of y? 5. So x is equal to 1. We are getting y equal to 5. Next x is equal to 2. So y equal to 7 minus 2 into, in the place of x we are substituting 2. So y equal to 7 minus 2 into 2, 4. 7 minus 4 will gives you 3. So y equal to 3. Next x is equal to 3. Y equal to 7 minus 2 into, in the place of x we are putting 3. So y equal to 2 into 3, 6. 7 minus 6 will gives you 1. Is it clear? One equation will be given. We are going to substitute the values for x and we are getting the values of y. Alright. Here they are asking 4 solutions. So 4 values we are given. So we are tabularizing that value x, y. X is equal to 0 now. We are getting 7, 1, 5, 2, 3 and 3 we are getting 1. Is it clear? This is your first problem. Next your second subdivision. Pi x plus y equal to 9. First keep the y here. So y equal to 9. This plus pi x will go that side minus pi x. First we are substituting x is equal to 0. So y equal to 9 minus pi into 0. So 0 into anything will gives you 0. So y equal to 9. Next x is equal to 1. So y equal to 9 minus pi into, in the place of x we are putting 1. So y equal to 9 minus pi. Is it clear? X is equal to 0, we are getting y equal to 9. X is equal to 1, we are getting 9 minus pi. Next, x is equal to 2. So, y equal to 9 minus pi into, in the place of x, 2 we are putting. So, y equal to 9 minus 2 into pi, 2 pi. Next, x is equal to 3. So, y equal to 9 minus pi into, in the place of x, we are substituting 3. So, y equal to 9 minus 3 into pi will gives you 3 pi. Is it clear? So, x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 3. We are getting the values of y. Now, we are tabularizing x, y. If we are substituting 0, we are getting 9. 1, 9 minus pi. 2, 9 minus 2 pi. 3, 9 minus 3 pi. Right? Next, we go to the next subdivision. Subdivision 3. X is equal to 4y. As usual, first take the y into your left hand side. So y equal to, this 4 is in multiplication, it will go division x by 4. Now x is equal to 0. So y equal to 0 by 4, 0. Next x is equal to 1, y equal to 1 by 4. Next x is equal to 4. So y equal to 4 by 4 is equal to 1. Next x is equal to 8, y equal to 8 by 4, which is 2. Don't think that why here we are taking 4, 8 and all. It's our wish, because in our denominator we are having 4. So if we are taking the multiple of 4, easily we can divide. That is the thing. So we are tabularizing. 0 we are getting 0, 1, 1 by 4, and 4, 1, and 8, 2. It is our wish. We can take any value for x and we got the respective y values, right? Next, your third problem. Check which of the following are solutions of the equation x minus 2y equal to 4 and which are not. It's nothing but they are giving the value of x and y. We are going to substitute in that equation. First of division 0, 2. So x is equal to 0 and y equal to 2. Substitute in that equation x minus 2y equal to 4. So 0 minus 2 into 2 equal to 4. 0 minus 4 will gives you minus 4. So minus 4 is not equal to your 4. Left hand side is not equal to right hand side, which means 0, 2 is not a solution of this equation. Is it clear? Next, 2, 0. Here x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 0. So x minus 2y equal to 4. This is our equation. Substitute the value of x and y. 2 minus 2 into 0 is equal to 4. So 2 minus 2 into 0, 0. So 2 is not equal to 4. Your left hand side is not equal to the right hand side. So 2, 0 is not a solution of x minus 2y equal to 4. Is it clear? If both LHS and RHS are equal, that XY value is correct, is a solution, right? So now, third subdivision 4, 0. Here what is the value of x? 4 and y 0. Now we are going to substitute in the equation x minus 2y equal to 4. So 4 minus 2 into 0 equal to 4. 4 minus 0 equal to 4. So 4 equal to 4. Your LHS is equal to RHS. Both the sides are equal. So 4, 0 is a solution of x minus 2y equal to 4. Is it clear? Next, your fourth subdivision root 2, 4 root 2. It's nothing but your x is root 2, y equal to 4 root 2. Substitute the value of x and y in our equation x minus 2y equal to 4. So in the place of x, root 2. In the place of y, 4 root 2. So root 2 minus 2 into 4 root 2 equal to 4. So root 2 minus 2 is common for the bracket. So multiply 2 into 4 will gives you 8 root 2 equal to 4. So here root 2 means 1 root 2. So 8 minus 1 will gives you minus 7 root 2, which is not equal to 4. So your LHS and RHS is not equal, so it is not a solution. Next, this is important question, fourth question. Find the value of k if x equal to 2, y equal to 1 is the solution of the equation 2x plus 3y equal to k. The same thing, they given an equation x and y value, we are going to find the value of k. So 2x plus 3y equal to k. What is your x value? 2, y value 1. Substitute in the equation 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1 equal to k. 2 into 2 will gives you 4. 3 into 1 will gives you 3 equal to k. So 4 plus 3 7 equal to k. So value of k is equal to 7. Thank you so much for watching this video. The remaining thing we will continue in our next class. Thank you.